And before I go in, I'm just going to use this. This is the Wee Smooth Spray. And it's just like a heat protectant. Okay, so, and this brush is great. It is the wet brush. Looks like this. It just helps to dry your hair faster. And then you're going to need a set of these, here we go, Velcro rollers. These Velcro rollers I think I got on Amazon. These clips I got at Sally's. Yeah, Velcro rollers are kind of a pain in the ass. I've been looking for some heat rollers that will stay in my hair. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. So I don't use this on a high setting. I use it on the low setting. It's down here. You just twirl it. I start at the top because that's the part of your hair that dries the quickest. So that's what I want to get. So I just take a little bit, like as you can tell. My hair is probably about 85 to 90% dry, just so you know. And we're going to push up and forward. We're just going to give ourselves a little at-home blowout. This I got at Ulta and it retailed for I think 60 bucks. It was like sold out everywhere, really hard to find. It was more expensive on Amazon, so be careful. All right, here we go. Okay, so I put 3 rollers back here, 2 on the side. You can also put these down here in rollers if you want. I just didn't. The way you saw me kind of twirl the brush like that just gives a little bit of a curl and that blowout kind of effect. I don't care so much about the bottom part of my hair as I do all this. This is just for volume. It's not going to give you a curl. The volume is insane with these though, trust me. What you've done is just created heat in the hair where the roller is, so that's going to set it. The longer you leave them in my opinion, the better. A couple hours if you can. I am a nighttime shower, so this does work for me. And I get volume for days this way. So I'm going to leave these in. I'm going to come back in a little bit, take them out, show you what it looks like, and how I finish off my hair. That's really it. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so it's been probably like 2.5 hours. I'm just going to go ahead and start taking these out. I don't know if you guys have better suggestions on rollers. And so I don't know if you can tell, but it gives you tremendous amounts of volume. That's kind of like what you want. Okay, so just showing you, that's all the volume I get. Now you can use a oil if you want on your ends. I've been sticking with a shine spray. This is from, it's Sparkling Soda Shine Mist from the Dry Bar. And I spray it on my hand. And I kind of just run it through my ends. Love this brush. This is a Veda brush, and I just pull it through. And this brush is like, it's life-changing. I don't know like what technology or what's in it or why it's so wonderful, but it literally is the most amazing brush I've ever had. And I'm like a big Tangle Teezer wet brush kind of person, but I bought this and it's amazing. So yeah, so this is it. And this is what it does. So it doesn't give, let's see if you can kind of like see here. It doesn't give like huge curls or anything, which is not really what I'm going for, but it gives you a really nice soft blowout. My hair feels very soft. It's not using real high heat. You could use the higher setting, that's up to you. But that's all I do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Please tell me kind of what styles or hair products that you've been using and loving. And that's it. I will see you in my next video. Thanks. I love you guys. Bye.